and we will learn a little bit more about how to get around in the city using the public transportation system. Here we are again at our next stop, Bajcsy-Zsilinszky út. And if you will look behind me, you can see one of the things that is so wonderful about the Budapest Metro system. These boards that are above the floor duplicate exactly the same ones that existed here at the turn of the century. So when you're traveling the Millennium Tour and you're taking the Yellow 9, you are looking at exactly what existed here in the 1900s when the system was first built. As an example, like these wonderful green painted steel riveted columns. And also, another interesting aspect about traveling on the Budapest Metro system is these ticket booths are exactly the way they existed at the turn of the century also. So you're getting a genuine piece of history when you travel on this system. Let's go on now and let's enjoy the sights. One thing though, before we leave, when you go upstairs from each of these entrances, don't forget that at each location you can find another, usually major site to see. Going up here at the Bajcsy-Zsilinszky út exit, you will find Andrássy út and the beginning of another wonderful tour, as I mentioned in my book, in the Adventures for Hungary.